I like the next
Coming
one.
to the next one, which is the colored tired hair. Like most of us, colored hair, of course.
Yeah.
So again, a half cup of mayonnaise, or half avocado or half cup of mayonnaise.
Okay.
And then a tea tablespoon of full fat yogurt, and tea tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. So the yogurt is very important, like a thickness. It contains fat, so it give your hair a lot of hydration, and then softness and shine.
Yes.
And then it's really nice as well. So.
Yeah. I think some, I don't know, maybe some South Asians have done this. I know I definitely have put yogurt in my hair, and I've hated it.
Why?
But it just feels so cold, and like, it's just so, you can feel how thick and heavy it is.
No, but if you mix it, like if you put one ingredient, it will look like sticky or thick or heavy. But if you mix this mixture, it will be really soft.
But as always, with any of the ingredients that you think, oh gosh, it's a bit heavy, you know that the effects of it is just phenomenal.
Exactly.
Once you wash it off, you're like, that is just absolutely brilliant. Okay.
So if you do these masks like twice a week, for example, then in a month you will see completely different hair than the one you used to do in a good way.
Absolutely.